Good afternoon, Sarah. It's Brittany from Auto Fair Honda here to show you the 2024 Honda HRV Sport. It is the only one that comes with the black gloss rims. Now the color is platinum white pearl. You get some privacy tinting in the back. It's an all-wheel drive vehicle as well. It's our most compact SUV, but it's also very spacious. So you have all this room back here, and the seats can go down if you need more room for storage. And there's a little tray, and under this tray there is a spare tire as well, just in case. Now it is a tight fit through here, so got black interior. Now the HRV is the only car that comes with this unique upholstery design. Squeeze in. Okay, so we have a digital dash. My favorite feature, which is the heated seats for you and your passenger. You have a touch screen here, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can take or make calls from right here at the steering wheel, and all the Honda safety and sensing features as well. Now there are definitely a ton more features to go over. You're definitely going to want to schedule your test drive. And if you have any questions in the meantime, my name again is Brittany, and my phone number is 603-832-8761. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a great day.